Hey guys, welcome back! Today we'll be opening up a Prismatic Evolution surprise box. Let's go! Looks like we got a Sylveon EX card that came in the box. Ooh, we got some cool dividers. Got Glaceon, Leafeon, Sylveon, Jolteon, Vaporeon. Ooh, and Flareon. Time to open up these packets. What cards will we get this time? I'm hoping for any cool holographic cards or any cute illustration cards. Halloocha! So cool. Ooh, the art on this Fluttermane is really nice. Let's see what we get in this packet. I hope it's something good. Pheasantipity and Noivern. Ooh, it's shiny. I like it. Next packet. Let's go. Cool. We got a Grape Tusk, an Iron Boulder, and Espeon. Time for the last packet, guys. Let's see what we get. Look at this cutie Houndour, and the Pinsir, and Monkey Dory. I hope you liked the video. Bye!